Welcome, today I'll show you how to activate your Hey Google option into your POCO C50. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Next up, in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and go into settings here. Now go into Google Assistant and in this menu find Hey Google and voice match option. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now need give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And now, how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, tap continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.